Hi, my name is Michael Arias. I am the founder and creator of AriasWave. And I'm about to teach this methodology to whoever wants to learn it in January. I'm having 3 sessions on 3 days. So I suggest you learn AriasWave if you really want to know what the markets are doing on any chart at any given point in time, because it's the best methodology out there for learning, how to read the waves. So I'll be teaching everything from the introduction, from the beginning till the end, till now, right? Everything will be taught, all the original material, access to the material will be given on the day, and you'll also be inducted into the private Facebook group where other members share their ideas and communicate with each other, and basically just like-minded people in one place who are actively using AriasWave to understand and interpret the markets. So it's very interesting. It's an amazing way to observe the markets. Knowing what's coming next is something that you don't really get from AriasWave, for example, or any other wave methodology, because they're usually just combining different things together, macro fundamentals, and it's just like there's no need for that. With AriasWave, you just use one methodology, you understand the pattern, and then you take action according to your what you understand to be accurate and correct, right? So using my ideas that I post is great, but wouldn't it be good if you could make your own decisions? And that's basically what I want you to be able to do. And I just love teaching it. I love talking about it. Obviously, if you've heard any of my ideas, I love to talk about my ideas using this methodology. I don't just make this stuff up. There's 5 waves in a correction, right? I'll be straight up. There's A, B, C, D, E. But so they're called wave components, and each one of those wave components can come in different variations, right? Zigzags and 5-wave moves are the only moves that any chart will ever have on them. And it's a combination of those moves and their variances that make up a correction. Now, if you zoom right out of the bigger picture to see the bigger picture, you'll realize that everything is a correction long term, right? Everything is a correction. So it's not like, oh, we're only going to be focused on the correction. No, everything is a correction. Over the long run, everything is a correction. I can't stress that enough. It's really important that you understand that. But also, it's really important that you make up your mind that you actually want to learn this before you go ahead and you register. All right. You don't want to be trying to decide halfway through that, do you really want to do this or not? Do you actually want to know how the markets work? You sign up. You don't really care, or you're halfway through there, just ignore it completely and go look at Magic Poop Cannon. He's probably got some pretty good Bitcoin analysis that you might use. But it would be better if you knew how to do it yourself. So I'll be teaching everything from the beginning to the end, till now, right? How I came up with it, why I came up with it, the process I went through, the testing, the back testing, and how it applies to charts that go back 1,000 years, 50 years. It doesn't matter. It's all human psychology, and it's a fractalized version of all our combined subconscious ideas of what a price should be, right? And it's that combination that makes the pattern. So it's just an amazing thing to learn. And if you really want to learn it, as I said, go and register for one of the sessions, ariaswave.com, and I hope to see you on the day.
AriasWave.